Hello everyone, we are back once again, or I am. Well, you guys probably are too, but I don't know. Well, today we're doing pegatrix. Let's go ahead and get back into this, in now, or something. Camera, start shaking camera. Well, I'll tell you about this camera. Why do you do this? Go ahead and get this board out, leave the Bakugan out. There. Go ahead and put the battle cores right now. We got two fists. Green fists. It's not easy being green. So, number one, you get 100 B power. And if you're Pyrus or Haos, you get +3 attack. And another one right here. Second one. It's just 150 B power and 1 attack. Card. You see. Same thing as the others. Since the core variation only has 1 card, you need 2 fists to play pegatrix. There he is. This one has a bit. Alright, I'm back. My dog wanted to go outside, so there we go. As I was saying, there's pegatrix, has only 2 attack there and 500 B power. Pretty good. What really makes it good. Average green fist it lands on. Gets +200 B power and 2 attack. Let's wait for it to focus. 1 day. You can kind of see there. Well, there's an Easter egg down there. If you will ever focus. Sure. Man, cameras really don't like to focus when you really want them to. Well, you have to believe me if you don't see it. So, yeah, I'm the one making the video here, not you. I mean, you can, but you know, over there. There's pegatrix. Let's get this one out. There's pegatrix. 500. Wow, now it wants to focus. Great job. Yep. So far as there's wings, there's feet. It's only a core one, so it's kind of going to be easier to close. Let's go ahead and try it. Let's go with head. Looks pretty good there. Feet look really easy to do. And there's my mess up. I forgot tail. I don't even think I had on there. So head, tail, feet, wing number 1. Wing number 2. There's pegatrix. These really do feel comfortable when you put it in the hand because they're slightly bigger than the original Bakugan. Let's go ahead and try to roll him. Her, him, something, it. Don't know for sure what it is. Who knows? Well, it is basically a robot creature. Kind of like a robot, series. There it is, once again. Go ahead and close it again, right in front of you so you can see it again. There you go. This card does not come with it. Just give you a better look at it. There you go. Haos, pegatrix. Quick summary. Well, comes with 2 backup cores, both green fists. Really good for pegatrix, as you see in the card. There they are. You can see it better. +200 for both of them. Or not both of them, but 200 B power and fist. 500. Pretty good card. And Bakugan itself. And here's the Bakugan. unicorn with wings. Pretty sure unicorns do have wings anyway. I don't know. There it is. I guess they do now. No tail. Leave her once again down there, and yeah. So there is the unboxing for Pegatrix, Haos, and yep, that's it. Well, I have more, but that'll be a different video. So yes, goodbye, have a blessed day.